Champions of tomorrow are made today, and this youth heavy bag kit comes with everything your young person needs to practice their favorite contact sport and get an unbeatable workout in the process. This bundle is the perfect gift for your child boxer, great for kids, age 5 to 13. Beginner boxing set includes a pair of youth boxing gloves, pair of hand wraps, 40-pound filled vinyl heavy bag with a swivel and mounting clip included. Traditional red and black design with Ringside logos. Teach the importance of safety and proper technique in the beginning to ensure a long healthy future in boxing, MMA, Muay Thai and all contact sport athletics. Champions of tomorrow are made today. The Ringside Youth Heavy Bag Kit comes with everything your young person needs to practice the sweet science and get an unbeatable workout in the process. Perfect bundle gift for your youth boxer. Top reviews from the United States. Professionally built, the real deal for kids. Well made, great looking, a small replica of a very professional full-sized punching bag. Not cheap looking at all. Well built, very impressed. You can't go wrong. I bought this for a 7-year-old who's into jiu-jitsu, etc., and it's so realistic and great looking, he's jazzed at working on with it. I would buy another in a heartbeat. Great product.